everyone, welcome back to Rehanaskitchencorner. Today's video, I'm going to share chicken taquitos. You can make these chicken taquitos for an easy dinner or a party appetizer. In a bowl, you can add softened cream cheese, quarter cup of salsa, and juice of the half of a lemon. Give it a mix and then you can add the seasoning like paprika powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, onion powder half teaspoon, garlic powder half teaspoon, salt to your taste. And then you can add cooked shredded chicken 2 cups and give it a mix. Add handful of coriander leaves chopped and white onions chopped. Add 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Mix everything well until it combines together. We are going to assemble the taquitos. Lay a tortilla on a flat surface and you can add about 2 tablespoons of the shredded chicken mixture 1 inch from the bottom of the tortilla. Then you can tightly roll up the tortilla. You can place the taquitos to a parchment paper lined baking sheet, seam side down and in a single layer. Repeat the same step for the remaining taquitos. Brush the top of each chicken taquitos with olive oil and then you can sprinkle some coarse salt on top before baking. Bake it in the preheated oven 425 degree Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until they are brown and crispy. Air fryer method, follow the same step for the assembling taquitos and then preheat the air fryer for 350 degree for 3 minutes and then you can place the taquitos on the basket on a single layer. Try not to overlap and cook it in batches if needed. Cook for like 7 minutes or until it's golden and brown and crispy. Halfway, make sure you can rotate and cook again. Once it's golden and crispy, you can remove taquitos from the air fryer and let them cool. For the creamy cilantro sauce, I'm using 1 bunch of cilantro, 1 jalapeno and 2 cloves of garlic, half of a lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of sour cream and salt and pepper to your taste. And you can add quarter teaspoons of cumin powder if you like it. That's optional. Blend it well and you can transfer to a bowl. Then you can finally garnish the taquitos with some chopped tomatoes and chopped cilantro. Now the air fryer and oven baked taquitos are ready to serve. You can enjoy this with a dipping sauce or guacamole. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you liked this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.